Hello my G family, how are you guys doing this morning? So immediately I woke up this morning, I have to go rush into the kitchen to prepare small soup for my baby because my second baby loves okra soup. So I have to rush and prepare it before she will wake up. So come with us, come with me, let's make this small. This is my first work. The first thing I did this morning is to prepare soup. So come with me, let's do it. So I don't even know which one is the best. This long okra. We have long okra like this and we have short ones. Which one do you think is the best? This, I'll be cooking with this cow meat. This cow meat has been in the freezer since how many days ago? I left it to defrost, but hey, it dey hard to defrost. So let me see whether I can cut it. I'll be using this quantity to cook. I will not use all of them because I'm cooking just small soup. So I'll be using this quantity to cook. Let's put it on fire. Because of one, I'll be pounding my okra to get consistency, to we'll get to one. I have to check on my boiling meat. I'm adding little water to it. I don't know whether you normally drink water if you wake up. Like the first thing that will enter your mouth is water. I heard that it's very good to the body. Though sometimes I do take warm water instead of cold water, but today I'm going to take cold water. I went out to get pepper, but before I could come back, the meat I've already burn. See, so I have to throw away the stock. Oh my god, I have to throw away the stock, and I'm starting with another pot. I'll be going in with grinded pepper. Some of this grinded pepper no dey hot, So I'll go in with this. I will not eat everything because of my kids. No Maggi have no Maggi before 150 naira, but now 100 naira. So we have to switch over to Star. I have this ozuza leaf at the back of my house, so I don't know how to manage this ozuza leaf. I don't know how to manage it. The ozuza leaf is just growing out of control. See the ozuza leaf. See the ozuza leaf. So today we'll be using ozuza leaf. Let's just get some ozuza leaf. We'll be using ozuza leaf in our soup. We will be going in with our red oil. Water to adjust. Salt to taste. Let's go in with our okra. Pastor, where are you going to? You stay there. Oh. Stay there. Oh. Do not close if you are cooking okra soup. If immediately you put your okra, do not close your pot, because if you close your pot, the okra will not drop. So we are going to leave it open like this. We'll be going in with this our vegetable. You wash and cut. My second chores of today is washing the bedroom. So I'll be washing the bedroom with this. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. You people should come out from that place. call your sister. Samuna, Samuna. You don't know my sister, not Shelly.
Don't eat.